fly.
Welcome to another Flywoo video, and it's been a long time. I have not been flying that much, but now I just had to go out because this, yeah, it's a nice box, I know. No, it's the Kayoumini, and I've upgraded it with the new Flywoo lens kit, 150 degrees lens kit. That's with a special lens and kind of the case. I think it's about 2 grams heavier than normal. I've been shaving down 1 gram otherwise, just to make it about fly the same, because I tend to, or I like to have a balanced quad power and weight, because I think that flies best, especially for the Kayoumini. If you can keep the weight down, that really helps a lot. So yeah, after flying 2 packs here and yesterday 2 packs, I was a little bit kind of called disappointed. I thought, hey, there's not much difference, but then looking back at the footage, and also now today again I flew again, and it's to be honest, it feels better. You see the larger field of view. I mean, it may not be 155 degrees, I'm not sure, I cannot say, but of course it is better. But also looking at the video that Chrome made, he pointed out, or just showed, the comparison with different mods. Also the O3 mod, that even seems to be a little bit larger or wider, and also I think that might be a little bit better, but this is of course easier to do. And for me, I will just now stick with it and maybe try later on O3 lens if I can get an old one. But yeah, I've also especially came to this side here to have a comparison with my first Kayoumini video, where I flew the O4 standard. Just you can see the difference of the picture. The quality may not be that great yet, because the camera here is not yet set to, or it's not yet adjusted correctly. I think I need to fiddle around until it gets really sharp, because I can see it in the goals, but I will have to look at the footage if that's the case. But yeah, of course, this is actually how the O4 lite kit should have been, in my opinion. Would have been so much better just with a standard camera, which with a good one, and not with the cheap cam that they basically took out of the Neo, I think, DJI Neo. But yeah, now you can get an upgrade camera or the upgrade kit, or you can do it yourself. Always that make it better, just for those who want that fly quads, I guess. For wings, I did not feel that it's bad. For wings, the O4 was fine for me, because you don't need that wide view. Of course, maybe it also makes it better. I will also try that. But now, yeah, enough blabbing. Enjoy the video. And oh, by the way, this case, you can find the files on the official KU. I think it's printables, or it's a Thingiverse. Nothing printables, and you can print it by yourself. Afterwards I will get magnets that it also closes. Really cool stuff. And by the way, the filament is, I stole that from from my wife. I printed something out for her. That's why the colors, but it looks cool. Have a wonderful day, and for those who celebrated, Merry Christmas, and all the best for 2006. Have a great year and a great last days of the year. Bye bye.
요즘 사람씩 이워 질투 Too clean with the drip 난 좀 배로 그러면 난 전부 about it go no respect on my name 우리 눈빛부터 달라 I don't play no games 나 주저하지 않아 no bring the loose 말이 너무 많아 우리 실력으로 증명해 전부 background noise 뒤에서만 떠들어 감당 못해 절대 넌 Man I keep it slick 그 태도가 날 설명해 그저 앞만 보고 달려 피할 곳 없어 그냥 부딪혀 뒤에서 씹어대는 게 너의 득득이 발이 떨려 그럼 언제든지 call me 준비됐다 준비됐어 지금부터 알려주겠어 이전의 attitude matter 너의 attitude 숨길 게 없어 그대로 봐 All attitude 내 방식대로 쓸어 담아 전부 안 되면 그냥 갖다 박아 한 대 맞고 knockdown game over 우리 따라오라면 바꿔야 할 걸 attitude 난 be 새끼 범상치 않은 Korean Nine on the scene You'll be watching how I do it When I pull up on the street Stay flexing with no care They be getting on their knees Bowing down to make it fair like
느낌 자체가 달라 Check my feet, check my drip, check my wrist day 내 태도는 ice cold 감당 못해 feeling 직진 내 all day 맨날 keep it slick 그 태도가 날 설명해 그저 앞만 보고 달려 피할 곳 없어 그냥 부딪혀
뒤에서 씹어대는 게 너희 듣기 발이 떨려 그럼 언제든지 call me 준비됐다 준비됐어 지금부터 알려줄게 수없이 전에 attitude 넌 거대 attitude 숨길 게 없어 그대로 봐 Our attitude 내 방식대로 쓸어 담아 전부 안 되면 그냥 갖다 박아 한 대 맞고 knockdown game over 우리 따라오라면 바꿔야 할 걸 attitude
손을 뻗어 reach for the right yeah yeah
Feel the rush jump to the sky 우리 빛나서 높이 fly
목소리를 높여 sing it right tonight
준비됐다 준비됐어 지금부터 알려줄게 수없이 전에 attitude We got that attitude We got that attitude 숨길 게 없어 그대로 봐 Our attitude 내 방식대로 쓸어